the Eastern Shore are up 14.8% from last year this same time. It's Friday, March 14th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Buyer activity is down 3.03% year over year, but this could change with the recent interest rate drop. Inventory rose to 1,692 homes this report. 142 homes are coming soon. 180 homes went under contract in 21 days. 88 homes settled at 98.8% list to sold ratio, with days on the market falling to 26 days this report. Homes for lease rose this week to 108, remaining at $2,000 median per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, March 14th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.